In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know when a Google vid was last modified. This might sound like quite the technical challenge at first, but stick with me. I promise by the end of our short journey together today, you'll be navigating through Google Vids with ease and clarity. Let's begin by opening up our web browser. The world of Google Vids is just a few clicks away. Type in the Google Vids website in your address bar. You'll find yourself on the home page of Google Vids, a haven for video content creation and sharing within the Google Workspace environment. The sleek and user-friendly interface invites you in, but don't get distracted by all the bells and whistles just yet. Our first real step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button, which you'll typically find prominently displayed on the page. Clicking on this will lead you to the standard Google sign in process. If you're already logged into your Google account, this will be a breeze. If not, no worries, just enter your details or choose the account you wish to use for accessing Google Vids. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself back on the home page, but with all your personalized content accessible. Now, the real magic begins. Our goal here is to find out when a specific Google vid was last modified, and to do that, we need to navigate to the file in question. If you've got a lot of content, take your time to locate the video you're interested in. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to sorting through digital content. Upon finding your video, our next step is to dive into the File menu. This is where a lot of the behind-the-scenes magic happens in Google Vids. Located typically at the top or in an easily accessible part of the interface, clicking on File will unfold a drop-down menu with several options. We're interested in the Details option for today's task, so go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on Details, you might notice a shift in your screen. Don't worry, you're exactly where you need to be. This section is a treasure trove of information about your video. It gives you insights into not only the content, but also the metadata attached to it, which includes the specifics of when the file was last modified. To find the exact information we're after, navigate within the Details section to the Modified field. This area keenly lists the last modified date and time of your video. It's a straightforward way of tracking changes or updates made to your content, which can be particularly useful for content creators, collaborators, or simply if you're trying to organize your files more efficiently. Understanding when a Google vid was last modified has various applications. Whether you're revisiting projects after feedback, checking in on collaborative edits, or simply organizing your repository of content, knowing how to access this information swiftly is an invaluable skill in the digital age. Moreover, keeping an eye on the modification dates can help maintain version control, ensuring you're always working on or sharing the most updated version of your video. It also aids in troubleshooting, allowing you to backtrack through changes should something not look or function as expected. Before we wrap up, a few additional tips to make your Google Vids journey smoother. First, always ensure you're logged into the correct Google account, especially if you're a part of multiple workspaces. Secondly, familiarize yourself with the various functionalities within the Details section, beyond just the modified date. It holds a wealth of information that can help you manage your content more effectively. Lastly, don't forget to regularly check for any updates or new features within Google Vids, as Google is known for consistently rolling out enhancements to ensure a better user experience. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough guide to finding out when a Google vid was last modified. I hope this video has shed some light on navigating Google Vids and has equipped you with the knowledge to manage your digital content more efficiently. Remember, mastering tools like Google Vids not only helps in organizing your work, but also enhances your capabilities as a content creator or collaborator in the vast digital ecosystem. Now go forth and explore your Google Vids with confidence and ease.